Alright, I can't get clear shots with the camera. It's so close, it's hard to tell what you're looking at. So I'm gonna try to hopefully get an idea I'll just take a video and I'll just move the camera around, and you know, by moving around to different views, maybe you'll get a better idea that way. So that's the curt hitch. It's very hard to see around all the parts. So that's why I'm just gonna move around. Sometimes you can tell more that way than you can from a single shot. It's dark. Let's see if I can turn the flash on. Alright, turn the flash on. That's the stock exhaust. Let's see. Okay, there's the stock exhaust. There's the hanger on one side. And that is the curt hanger. It just goes right over the exhaust. I'll back out a little so you can see more of the whole thing. So the stock exhaust, I'm not sure what it is that you need help with, but hopefully you can see. That actually should show where it goes. The hanger just goes right over top of the exhaust. I'm sorry, not the hanger, the hitch goes right over top of the exhaust. And there's nothing special about the hanger. They didn't change. When I put the curt hitch in, the directions said to remove that rubber hanger and lower the exhaust, but I never did. I was able to wiggle it up in there without removing anything, so didn't change in any way. And the same thing on the other side. Try to get a shot in from over top of the. There we go. The flash is not getting in there. Where's the hanger? Oh, there we go. There's the hitch. There's the hitch, and there's the hanger. So, I don't know, there's not that much to it. I mean, there's the rest of the exhaust. It just doesn't interfere with the hitch at all. There's the hitch. The exhaust going on up front. I don't think there's any other hangers. Yeah, there's 4 hangers total. Alright, so there's a hanger on the front side of the muffler. And there's a hanger on the back. There we go. On the back side of the muffler. And there, if I can try to get the whole. Now I can't see my screen anymore. I'm kind of. Pipe here. Alright. So that bolt and that bolt is the curt hitch. And there's the hanger. So I don't know what to tell you, it just doesn't interfere with it. They didn't have to bend or anything like that. The muffler just tucks in. Let's see, if you were trying to put this muffler in after the fact, I guess that's okay. I guess that's your question, is how could you get the muffler up? Because it would probably, this is hard to see on this screen. So the curt hitch went in without a problem because the muffler was already in place. And this part just there you go, just went up and over, no problem. But now that if you had a case where the hitch was already in place and the muffler needs to go in after the fact, maybe that is going to interfere with this, because it does look like it's tucked over top of this. So that means it looks like there's probably enough room to wiggle the muffler up in place, because it can move. You got enough space here to excuse me, to wiggle the muffler forward a little and get it up in if you had a break in this somewhere, so that the whole thing could slide forward a little. Another way you can probably do it is swinging the muffler left or right, because if you if you swung the muffler to the driver's side, then this thing, instead of hitting here, might clear over here, and then you could swing it back and do the other side. Might be able to do it that way. But I'm guessing if you have the muffler with the whole exhaust off, the stock exhaust off, and you're trying to put the stock exhaust back on, then you know, you must have a break in here somewhere, in which case the whole thing can slide forward a little. There should be no problem. I don't know. Yeah, who knows? Maybe that thing doesn't even hit anyways. It just kind of looks like it might to me. It's hard. I know it's hard to see. Unfortunately, the camera is too close to everything. Yep, there's the bracket for the hitch right next to the muffler hanger, but not interfering with it. And I didn't change it. So, I don't know.